सी आई टोल्ड यू, तेरे को खाली प्रेशर चाहिए था यार, तू सॉर्टेड हो जाएगा लाइफ में, बोला था मैं.
Why isn't she called yet? You know, the longer she waits, the worse it is.
Bro, I'm gonna let you in a bit of a trade secret, okay? I avoid a lot of drama in my life by not knowing what the fuck is going on.
That's what it is. She's so hard reading, Namrata, yaar. Like she should have one of those mood rings or something on her. You know, make it so much easier.
Yeah. But don't you think she has a face which kind of serves the same purpose?
Okay, fine. Fuck you, Kashyap. You know, this is all your fault.
My fault. मेरा गलती है. साले साल में 10 बार मजाक में विपश्यना करने जाती है तेरी नम्रता, उसको बोलना लाइफ में थोड़ा ज़ेन होने को.
Wait, just stop talking. What are you doing? What are you doing?
क्या कर रहे हैं?
I'm answering my phone.
बजने दे. Self respect नाम की चीज. No.
Kashyap, just stop it.
अबे तेरी नहीं तो तेरे फोन की सेल्फ रिस्पेक्ट की सोचा नहीं क्या
खत्म है.
अबे क्या? No.
Fanny, stop ringing. Stop. It was her. I missed it. I missed her call now.
So call her back. Don't be so whipped, man. This is just embarrassing.
This is the last time I'm talking to you about this. Sohail. ये सोलकड़ी. Sohail. What is this?
I'm physically telling you कि तू डार्लिंग है मेरी.
Kashyap, just be quiet for some time. Okay, don't move and just be quiet for some time. I'm going to send a message. You get like a long text with a bunch of nice things and some smiley faces and stuff, and that should solve it, na? That should solve it.
हाँ, that can work. ला.
What?
फोन दे.
No.
Yes. देख, तू इमोशनली स्टेबल नहीं है, तू कुछ भलता लिख देगा, दे मेरे को.
Kashyap, please, rende. Okay, you're from Delhi. Your favorite pickup line is what? Do you smell chloroform on the handkerchief?
Okay. First of all, do not hold this fact against me. Okay, yes, I was born in Delhi, but that's it. Okay. दूसरा, you are behaving like a reacher right now, yaar.
Huh? What's a reacher?
देख, हर रिलेशनशिप में ना देयर इज अ सेटलर एंड देयर इज अ रीचर. अ रीचर इज बेसिकली समवन जिसको लगता है कि दिस पर्सन इज टू गुड फॉर मी एंड बेसिकली दे आर गोइंग फॉर समवन दैट्स अ फ्यू लीग हायर लाइक अभिषेक बच्चन. ओके, एंड देन देयर इज अ सेटलर जिसको लगता है आई कुड हैव डन बेटर इन लाइफ बट ठीक है, दिस इज ऑल्सो नॉट बैड.
अच्छा.
लाइक ऐश्वर्या.
Okay, Kashyap,
समझा?
just get off firstly. And secondly, you're calling me Abhishek Bachchan?
No, you asshole. I'm calling Namrata Angelina Jolie and you are Brad Pitt. She is also just as lucky to have you. उसको खाली ये समझाना पड़ेगा ना, सिंपल है.
They just got divorced.
तू फोन दे ना, तू पॉइंट समझ, तू फोन दे. मैं क्या करता हूँ? Okay, listen. I'll type out a draft.
A draft?
Just a draft.
You can't send it.
Just a draft. If you like it, then you send it.
I send it. You don't.
Pinky promise.
ठीक है.
This is rookie shit, bro.
अच्छा, you try.
Is anal beads like one word? Do you space? Do you hyphenate?
Just give it back.
I'm messing with you, यार. अच्छा सुन ना.
You actually typed it, यार.
तू एक बात समझना, सुन ना. Men are not designed to understand women. हम लोग की फितरत में ही नहीं है यार. समझ रहा है? See, women understand women and they hate each other.
A single person has the most gyan to give.
Hey, I'll have you know, I am single by choice. Okay, there's a
Not
difference.
your choice.
Fuck this shit. Point ही नहीं है ना. साला भलाई का जमाना नहीं रहा. मैं अच्छा काम करने की कोशिश कर रहा हूँ, तू साली मेरी गांड मारा. Fuck off यार.
Kashyap, सुन ना. Where are you going?
Bro, I have to get high, I have to take a nap, wake up in time for my lollipop guy to come. I have stuff to do, okay?
Kashyap, there's no hope with dope. Kashyap.
You know what? I'm gonna do this. मैं चल के आऊँगा ये वाला बोलने को. I'm gonna make an effort. See, all of this is like the iTunes terms and conditions वाला page for me, okay? I am just gonna put a tick mark and ignore you.
Kashyap, you've used that before.
Yes.
You've used it twice before.
Yes, I've used it before and it has worked.
अच्छा सुन तो लेना. Kashyap, listen. Kashyap, even Hitler had a girlfriend. You're less desirable than Hitler.
तू ये Hunger Games वाला ले.
Wait, she's calling. Hello? Hello? Kashyap के साथ. हाँ पर मैंने. अरे I am listening to you. Hello? Hello?
Hello? Sorry. क्या बोला?
I don't know. Something about me not being receptive or something. I don't know. I wasn't listening.
It's okay. We've seen darker times. Remember when they banned FT? Couldn't masturbate for a month. It was 2 days, but felt like a month.
Siri, why am I friends with this man?
Because you love me, bitch.
I don't love you.